Hello friends. Good morning to you all. Recently I wanted to check IKEA showroom whether I can get a suitable bookcase to fit into my small house. My choice is elegant, low budget, yet simple, easily movable. Because dusting is a big problem nowadays, so I am looking for a smooth finish, not with any designs but only simple. I was going through several options and designs, moving from table chair sections, finally entered racks, bookshelf section. Plenty of options were there. I was going through all one by one, checking dimensions suitable for my house space. My eyes struck up at a shelf. Its model name is Belly Bookcase. It suits to common man budget, easily movable, easy to clean, simple yet nice looking. It's available in 4 colors: brown, black, light brown and white, with doors and without doors also. In different sizes, small size and also tall. I opted for 6-rack tall bookshelf. Whiteness brings freshness to my mind, so naturally it's my choice. Finally, after seeing so many, I selected white with 6 racks. One beautiful feature for this design is racks can be easily adjustable. Its height can be adjustable. Movement is so flexible. We can easily adjust using holes and screws. Actually, this belly bookcase is very popular worldwide for the past 40 years because this bookshelf is suitable for places in hall, general living room, study room, and also bedroom. One precaution I wanted to tell you about IKEA furniture is always keep water away from furniture. IKEA manufactures with wood, mostly plywood, metal, glass and also plastic fiber. I have been using this furniture for the past several years, but what I observed is no doubt wooden items should be away from water, and also IKEA metal furniture also should be away from water. If water stays on the metal furniture, its coating is going off, so water should be immediately dried. Otherwise, its coating is getting spoiled. So, by any chance, water falls on either wood or metal, clean it immediately. Finally, when billing time arrived, my choice was to have home delivery with installation. It's reasonable. As this is year starting, showroom is giving some concessions also. My billing was between 6-7K. It's fine as I need not carry things, no hassles. I kept this shelf in my living room. It's looking pleasant. Hope this information is useful to you. Bye bye. Taking leave from you. This is Tirumala.